Hey everybody, Draco the Juggler here, and this is the first challenge in the Trick of the Week series. You will need one Diabolo for this first challenge. This first challenge is going to be for you to try to do a stick toss to a wrap. Try to do a stick toss to a wrap and then unwrap it and do a toss afterwards to know that you wrapped it and unwrapped it successfully. You can also win an extra point for this challenge. If you got this one and this is too easy for you, the next challenge is for you to toss the stick and then with your left stick, release the stick and catch it, and then toss your right stick again. And this is actually continuous, you can keep on going. For you to get the extra point for this challenge, I would like to see you do 1, 2, 3, and 4 different tosses to get the extra points. And then with the open toss on the end to know that you unwrapped. All right. Good luck practicing, everybody. You have until Sunday, and I hope to see your submissions, and good luck.